Okay, so I already opened it. This is what it is. Here's the back of it. So let's get open. Of course, we got Chino and Sushi, my dogs. So just give me 1 minute. Let me open it. Oh, this is cool. So first up, we got a little popsicle, which is, sorry. Okay, so we got a little popsicle, which is, you can open it. It's a little highlighter. Here's backpack. Got you a little roller. You got a pen. This is kind of cute, actually. You got a little pencil. And what the heck is this? Oh, it's another highlighter. And then you got erasers. Oh, they're pencil erasers. How cool is that? And then, oh, you got you a little notepad. It's a heart notepad. It's so cute and so little. And then in here we got another half of an eraser. We got just a half of an eraser. Oh, I see. There we go. I thought it was gonna be another. I thought it was gonna be another popsicle thing, and I thought it was this medicine eraser part, like these two parts. But I figured it out that it's go like this to make it a popsicle. Here's the inside, and you can write down what you want. Like, let's write down. Alright, do all of them have? Yeah, all of them have smiley faces. So let's just, for instance, write down. I wrote down hi. Can y'all see it? There we go. It says hi. Is that Backstreet Boys on in there? Is that Backstreet Boys on in there? It sounded like it because I heard the song saying, I want it that way. So, you can buy this at Walmart. And I'm pretty sure you can buy it anywhere else too. So yeah. Again, guys, you can buy these at Walmart. This is what it comes with, or it can get. How come I didn't get that? I don't know why I didn't get that. I got the pencil. But you can get like a highlighter, a roller, stickers, and eraser, color pencil, tape, and little folders, and other cool things like that. Sorry about that. That was a little bit inappropriate. We quit burping on my YouTube channel. Sorry about that. But anyway, you can collect all of these. And here's some of them on the side here. I'm looking for a website where you can go to. But it says there's 6 supplies to collect.